welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the BareMinerals Matte and Shine lipstick set. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. Here's what the packaging looks like. You get 3 glosses and 3 matte liquid lipsticks, and when you turn it around on the back, you do have the shade names as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we have all 6 shades, so let's start with the first shade. The first shade in this collection is called Pout. This is like a rosy mauve shade. I love the dual-ended applicator. Wow, Pout is super pigmented and extremely shiny. You guys know I'm not really into glosses, but I love BareMinerals glosses. They're not sticky, they're not goopy at all. It's just the perfect gloss for me. So let's go ahead and see what Pout looks like applied on the lips. Ooh, this is so beautiful. It's like my lips, but better. Let's see if it can cover up that dark upper lip of mine. I adore this shade in Pout. It's basically your lips, but better. BareMinerals glosses sit so comfortably. Love the feeling. Moving on to the next shade. The next shade in this collection is called Darling. Darling is described as a cinnamon pink shade. Ooh, that is so beautiful. Again, I love the wand. You can go back and forth with it, and look how pigmented it is. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. I am super surprised on how wearable this shade looks on me. I thought it would be a little bit too pinky when I did swatch it, but it's not too pink. It's not as pigmented, so it doesn't wash me out. It's just a beautiful shade. I really do like it. Let's see what the next shade looks like. The next shade is called Sweetheart. This is more of a peachy shade. I don't know about this shade, you guys. It's a little bit too pinky for me. Whereas the first one was like a mauve pink, the second one was like a cinnamon pink. Online, the shade in Sweetheart is described as a candid peach shade. This looks more of a bubblegum pinky shade than a peach shade. But let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. The shade in Sweetheart, I'm not a huge fan of. It does pull very bright pinky on me. I definitely think I could wear this shade in the center of my lips. I can wear it in the center of any of these 2 shades at the top. I do want to see how the shade in Sweetheart does look like applied in the center of Pout. I applied the shade in Pout all over my lips. Now we're going to apply the shade in Sweetheart in the center. Here's what those 2 shades look like mixed in together. I really do like this combo. Let's move on to the next shade. Now we're going to be swatching the matte liquid lipsticks in this collection. Let's see what the first shade looks like. The first matte liquid lipstick shade is called Juju. The shade in Juju is described as a deep rosy mauve shade. Wow. Look at that pigmentation with just one swipe. Look at that. Wow. Super pigmented. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. I love this deep rosy mauve shade in Juju. It complements my skin complexion. I really do love this formula. It seems a little bit whipped, but it does feel comfortable on my lips. And I just applied that one layer. I did not have to build up the pigmentation. The next shade in this collection is called Boss. Boss is described as a dusty pink beige shade. Ooh, very pretty. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. I love this shade in Boss. It complements my skin complexion and it's super wearable for me. This shade in Boss is described as a dusty pink beige shade. That kind of scared me a little bit, but I'm super happy that this shade does work out for me. Moving on to the last shade in this collection. Last shade in this collection is called So Fine. Here's what the shade in So Fine looks like. You guys know I love my plums, I love my purples. It's my favorite and it never lets me down. Here's what the shade in So Fine looks like. Extremely pigmented. Wow, I love it. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. You guys already know purple is my favorite color. I love purples, berries, plum shades. They all complement me very well, and this shade is gorgeous on me. Overall, I would highly recommend you guys checking out this lipstick collection. They are super wearable shades and they're great for every day. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.